Yeah, my first impression of Zindua is it was like our family.
Everyone was very welcoming.
I think I fell in love with the teaching culture and the learning culture that we have.
Zindua has really perfected the mentorship and it has really helped me oversee a lot of problems.
The mentorship at Zindua has been quite impactful in my journey, in my learning journey.
Honestly, I can't say learning code is easy, but they made it easy for me, so I'm so grateful for that. They take into consideration the fact that not everybody has a coding background, so they are patient enough to help you learn coding skills from scratch.
And I feel like students who come here will definitely live with something worth to take.
Zindua has helped me push my goal of becoming a software developer one step closer.
Zindua has really given me a great confidence boost. It has really taught me that I can be really useful into this world.
I feel confident and prepared for the job market, mainly because I know that I have a support system through Zindua where I can get mentorship and guidance to help me navigate the job market.
I do feel confident for the job market because Zindua has given me that courage in terms of software development.
If I could describe Zindua in one sentence or word, it would be memorable.
Zindua is really a family.
Zindua really feels like home. Coming from a campus background, I can say that Zindua really does help students focus more on what they want.